I just had an energy healing session with a client, 20 minutes on the Journey of God crystal bed and 1 hour Reiki hands-on healing. This lady told me, Carlos, I had a trip. This was the most amazing healing session I ever had. Towards the end of the crystal bed, about 15 minutes, I start floating and going to a high speed like in the Star Wars movies. And I saw triangles with several colors. And the triangle happened to be the Journey of God symbol. Then I felt that tingling on my legs, and now I feel totally relaxed, renewed, and calm. My friends, having an energy healing session is not about having these trips. However, I promise you that an energy healing session is less expensive, more rewarding and healing than doing drugs. Do energy healing instead of drugs.